and welcome to I Nurture videos. In this video, we will discuss shared preferences in Android. At the end of this video, you will be able to analyze working with shared preferences. Android application regularly wants settings that permit users to change preferences in an application. Android offers a dominant framework to manage user preferences. It lets you to describe the way the preferences are required, and it automatically produces UI for that. It is necessary to be simple while using in our application. Instead of using view objects to build the user interface, we can use preference class that is declared in an XML file. Preference object is said to be the building block for a single setting. Each preference performs as an item in a list. It also offers the proper UI for users to modify the setting. For example, checkbox preference creates a listing item that shows a checkbox, whereas a list preference creates an item that opens a dialog with a listing of decisions. Each preference has an equivalent key value. It combines the system to avoid wasting the setting in a very default shared preferences file for your app's settings. Once the user changes the setting, the system updates the equivalent price within the shared preferences file. The user will directly move with the associated shared preferences once a file is required to scan its worth. So, you have to see how your app's activities supports the user's settings. The value saved in shared preferences for each setting can be one of the following data types: Boolean, float, int, long, string, string set. Let us recall what we have discussed so far. Android application regularly wants settings that permit users to change preferences in an application. Android offers a dominant framework to manage user preferences. Preference object is said to be the building block for a single setting. Each preference performs as an item in a list. It also offers the proper UI for users to modify the setting. Each preference has an equivalent key value. The value saved in shared preferences for each setting has these data types: Boolean, float, int, long, string, and string set. Thank you for watching this video.